And a caucus of Luo professionals is now sounding the alarm over the widening cracks within the Orange Democratic Movement Party, that is ODM. Now, speaking in Nairobi, the professionals warned that the ongoing internal wrangles or power struggles could jeopardize the unity of the Luo community ahead of the 2027 general elections. The group is now calling for a house cleaning exercise at Orange House, while throwing their weight behind the current broad-based government arrangement. Our reporter Vincent Kerosi has that story.
As the pull and push in ODM party rumbles on, a section of intellectuals from the Luo community have taken a stand. Meeting in Nairobi, Ramogi Professional Caucus expressed a deep concern that the glaring differences among ODM top brass are creating a vacuum that could prove detrimental to the community's collective bargaining power.
Mtazamo wetu ni kwamba umoja wa jamii yetu ni muhimu zaidi kuliko vita vya kisiasa. Lakini tunajua kwamba siasa ndivyo vyombo vya kuchukua usukani.
The professionals emphasized that discipline must be restored within the party ranks, saying they encourage the ongoing negotiations for a strategic working formula as the 2027 roadmap begins to take shape. Central to this is the legacy of the late Raila Amolo Odinga and the 10-point agenda agreement signed with President William Ruto's UDA.
Within the ODM party, we encourage unity, discipline, and strategic coherence in order to strengthen its position as a formidable national movement capable of negotiating power and shaping Kenya's future beyond electoral circles.
As united party, strengthened party, a consolidated party stands a chance to negotiate with any other like-minded in a manner that they see fit only when they are united and stronger together.
The caucus also weighed in on the recent resignation of Eliud Owalo from the executive office of the president to pursue a 2027 presidential bid. While some see this as a potential split in the Nyanza vote, the professionals view it differently, though with a caveat.
Seeing one of us wanting to throw his weight into the presidential campaign as a presidential flag bearer, one which is not very clear to us is which party. So I think in the interest of the community, there's nothing stopping Owalo from joining any of the parties, including ODM.
Kila aliyetia sahihi katika makubaliano hayo ni kwamba waangazie na wazingatie umoja na uwiano ya Kenya nzima kabla ya kuweka mbele matakwa yao ya kibinafsi.
But even as they backed the UDA-ODM cooperation, a sense of frustration was evident. The caucus decried what they termed as the sidelining of experts and intellectuals in the current administration, demanding a seat at the core governance table.
We know that Kenya's development potential cannot be fully realized while professional expertise remain excluded from the core national leadership and decision making.
Tunataka kuweka uzito kwa hii mambo ya 10-point agenda kwa sababu tukiendelea kama nchi tunatarajia uchaguzi na mambo ambayo yatakuwa ya kipaumbele katika uchaguzi unaokuja.
Tunataka kumuomba Mheshimiwa Rais zile ahadi zote ambazo uliweza ukatilia manani, utekelezaji tafadhali uweze pia ikawekwa katika mwendo wa kasi.
With the frictions within the ODM party looking to hit a crescendo, the professionals have urged the stakeholders not to lose focus on the 10-point agenda agreement signed between UDA and ODM parties. Vincent Kerosi, Hope TV, Nairobi.